Hello, welcome to VSF Technology. I am Meena Seni. Today topic merge sort. Now see merge sort. The merge sort is a sorting algorithm that splits the items of array to be sorted order into two groups. Recursively sort each group and merge then into a final sorted sequence. Algorithm. First, if it is only one element in the list, it is already sorted return. Second, divide the list recursively into two halves until it can no more be divided. Third, merge the smaller lists into new list in sorted order. We have an array, so we apply step 1. Divide the array into two parts. This array's length 6, so 6 by 2 equal 3. That means the first part index 0 to index 3 and second part index 4 to index 6. Step 2. Divide two array into two parts again. So like this, divide two array into two parts. Step 3. Divide two array into parts again. So all elements single part. We apply to step 4. Sort the number from small to largest. Both the elements in with the largest number of 16, so sorted. Then here both elements already in order. Next, here they both elements already in order, and 29 like that. Step 5. Merge the divided sorted arrays together. Then here 8 element less than element 16 and 10, so element 8 come on index 0. Like this, the element 29 less than 30, so 29 come on index 1. Step 6. Array has been sorted. Now see complexity. Assume we have an length array. Time of n is equal to time of n by 2 plus time of n by 2 plus n. So n dot log n plus n. Time of n is equal to big O n dot log n.